Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this very, very crucial civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself in front of entire human kingdom, in front of all nations only. I must get the civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines of civil law. So USA, Roman province, Jesuit, state of Wisconsin, state of Illinois, state of Michigan, state of New York, state of New England, state of Maryland, state of Louisiana, state of Missouri, state of California, state of Oregon. Department of Justice created COVID-19 plague worldwide is proved as of February 22, 2021 is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. Victims of abuse, patients billing, claims process for medical finance compensation billing. At fault, found guilty with fatal negligence, domestic violence types, breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass and land and chattels and types. USA Republica prostitutes, President Trump between 2016 to 2020, GOP Mitch McConnell, Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh created Robocall Crime 1, Count 1 is poverty mandate, and Robocall Crime 2, Count 2 finance disability mandate, and took away $4,500 in October 2018 along with to steal Supreme Court judge job rightful belongs to me. Then Robocall Crime 3, Count 3 is finance debt mandate since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020. Debt as of February 2021 is $10,000 plus dollars. And I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed the true criminals, creators of Robocall poverty mandate to USA government for fatal negligence and domestic violence of state of Wisconsin. So Republica Wisconsin, USA domestic violence criminal 34 prostitute 34 is Council CFR, that is Council on Foreign Relations Organization, and the victims of they created the robocall. So victims of abuse patients billing, one is I Vedapriya Prose, one CFR of USA must pay tax-free $5,000 direct deposit to my bank account, and Republica Wisconsin USA domestic violent criminals 35, prostitute 35, USA Sprint Cellular created damages to have prostitute Facebook to disable my account in January 2019. So victims of abuse billing 2 is I Vedapriya Prose 1, USA Sprint must pay tax-free $5,000 direct deposit to my bank account. Then Republica Wisconsin USA domestic violent criminal 36, prostitute 36 is female cop of state of Wisconsin created damages to I Vedapriya Prose on November 2019, and Department of Justice of state of Wisconsin is aware and with fatal negligence never provided justice. Fatal negligence display of broken dear Department of Justice Services of USA is created by Pope Francis, the Antichrist is proved. So victims of abuse patients billing 3 is I Vedapriya Prose 1, fatal negligence USA state of Wisconsin must pay tax-free $1 billion direct deposit to my bank account. Then Republica Wisconsin USA domestic violent criminal 37, prostitute 37, USA CFR Facebook created damages by disable my account when it is all at fault gone guilty of Sprint and Facebook. So with victims of abuse patients billing 3 is I want, or the last billing is I want fatal negligent domestic violent prostitute Facebook must pay tax-free $1 billion direct deposit to my bank account, and I Vedapriya Prose want Pope Francis to pay tax-free $1 billion direct deposit to my bank account. And I hope we are all on the same page, my dear fellow mankind. And yes, I must get the civil justice without any delay, and in front of all nations and in front of entire human kingdom only I must get. And I must get the civil justice according to the Holy Bible civil law guidelines alone. Okay. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.